Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. In today's Forex beginner lesson 8, guys, you have come this far. If you have not watched lesson 1, 2, 4 to now 7, and now we are doing 8, you're missing out. Pause this video, go and watch from lesson 1, and you'll see how much information I'm putting out there. So today we are doing lesson 8. And I want to tell you guys how to know what to avoid. How do you know which pair to avoid, or which setup to avoid, or what to avoid in the market? Because we need to know, are we avoiding USD today? Are we avoiding euro? Are we avoiding pound? Because once you avoid, you will be safe and you will not blow your account. Because at the end of the day, we don't want to get involved in this market. Imagine you placed a buy here because it did break of structure. Now you'll be on drawdown. So there are pairs that you don't want to get involved until it gives you an entry. So let's go to Euro USD. Let me take a different a pair that is clean. This is Euro USD. So this is Euro USD on 4 hour, and when I was doing my analysis, I spotted something very tricky, and I believe euro will be our pairs or our currency to avoid this week. So how do you determine which pair to avoid every week when you start your journey? Because you're a beginner, you don't know what to avoid, you don't know what to trade. Let's go to weekly and see how euro behaved. So this is euro. This is Euro USD, and this is a weekly time frame. You can see, guys, very clearly that this was the candle that was closed last week. So that is the candle we have. And this candle, for me, I can say it is a spinning top, or maybe some can say it's a doji. But what I know, it is in the group of indecision. I always teach my students, or I have taught people out there, that there are 3 characteristics of candlestick. Number 1, show momentum. Number 2, shows rejection. And number 3, indecision. So for me, this market, it's like showing rejection and inclusive of indecision, because if you say it's a spinning top, is rejection candle. If we say it's a doji, it's an indecision candle. So either way, this candle does not show us if we are supposed to get in the market, unlike this momentum candle that was showing us momentum, but because of this because of the retrace, the resistance here on this side, that's why I said it was tricky again to buy. So the reason why I think Euro USD will be hard to trade this week, it's because it is on a very strong resistance. So this is the resistance, and it never broke that resistance. If they broke, it will be easy. So we do not have BOS. There's nothing like BOS, we don't have it. And this is weekly. So price action of the candle that closed last week is inclusive of indecision stroke rejection, because it can be a spinning top or a doji. So either way, it is not something that is showing us if the market will buy. Again, if we come to market structure, the second thing that you need to check in a market structure, it is a downtrend. So yes, it's a downtrend, and many sellers will be trapped here, because if they rely on the market structure alone, they will say this market is doing what? It is doing a retracement. But remember, if it will sell, we need a momentum sell bearish candle. That's how it works. First, you need price action to guide you. Then you need a structure, and the structure is the one that is positive. It's a downtrend. And then the other thing that we need, what else do we need? We have known if the market structure is a sell, that is good. And the other thing that we need now, it is the pattern. So we start with price action, indecision, rejection, no entry. And then the market structure is what is supporting us to sell. And then for pattern, we have a possible double top. So let me write it for you. We might have a possible double top there. Possible double top. And this possible double top, remember, it is still a possible double top. Why? Because the market has not even given us an entry. So this, and that's why I'm saying Euro USD, it will be tough to trade it. So if you don't want to, something that it is a 50-50 chance, just leave it for this week. This week, this candle is what will tell us what will really happen. Because if it breaks through, all sellers will be trapped. If it continue to sell, anyone who had bought on lower time frame, because lower time frame, this is an uptrend. If they check the market structure, they will be trapped. So we have a possible double top. We have our neckline there. Let me measure half. So if this market happens to sell, for me, I'm comfortable selling Euro USD if on weekly I can have a red candle breaking here. Now I'm comfortable. Like I can even come here and give you a signal. If we get a weekly candle breaking through that half, guys, that's a signal that I'm so confident with it. So if this doesn't happen for me, Euro USD is still a tongue twister. You can't know if it will buy or sell. I have a possible double top. The market has to break my half, come to my neckline, and then we continue. Now, how do you get in? If I want to get in this place to target to the half, I use WBB strategy. So the WBB strategy is easy. You need first red candle. We have the red candle there. The second thing that you need, guys, is what? To check if it's a bearish engulf. Of course, that candle has not bearish engulf. So you do what? You put a box, WBB. You wait, box, break. So we are waiting for our price to break here. So in short, if this week, and you guys pay attention, Euro USD, if this candle closes red, breaking this box, I will sell my market up to the half. So how much am I looking? Let's say the candle breaks like that. I'll sell all the way. That is how many pips? 243 pips. So unless this is the candle that is giving me the confidence. So that's why I said for this week, Euro USD, we cannot trade it. And that's how you avoid. So you should not even check it. You should not do anything about it. Don't even try to buy to sell, because once you come on Saturday analyzing, that's when it will dawn to you that the market is either selling, or if you find, let's say you find this market now breaking through, what will happen? You'll feel cheated. You'll feel cheated. So that is how you avoid to trade some pairs using higher time frames. So we are using weekly, and for me it's overall. I need this week to be sure what is happening. So even if I go to daily, I don't want to see break of structure. You see, on daily the box has already broken. Yesterday box broke. This is not what I want to see on weekly, because on daily will give you false hope sometimes. And you see, the top that I don't want to be broken already on daily to broke. So if you say the market has given you WBB, you can sell up to here, it is false already. The market violated. Again, when you go to 4 hours, this is what you see on 4 hours. Let me take you to 4 hours. You see what we have on 4 hours. On 4 hours, we have a zone. This is a channel and it has broken. So many people are still selling, thinking what? The market will come all the way. And in short, to have a direction on Euro USD, we need just a weekly candle to show us direction. So I'm not saying that the market can't sell. Either I'm not saying that it won't buy. I'm saying I don't know what it happens, and I hate not to know. So what I should do, Euro USD, let's avoid it this week. And I'll come on Saturday to tell you my thoughts. This was the lesson of today, knowing when to avoid getting involved in a pair. Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye-bye.